Hello, Standard 10. Your Arun sir going to teach the endocrine system, chapter 12, and it is part 3. In part 1, we have discussed in detail about the adrenal gland and the medulla part of the adrenal gland and the cortex part of the adrenal gland. They secrete hormones, and we have discussed the function of those hormones. Today, we will discuss in detail about the pancreas. Now listen, pancreas, as I have told you, that it is a ductless as well as duct bearing gland. It is ductless as well as duct bearing gland. As a duct bearing gland in the digestive system, I must have taught you that it secretes pancreatic juice which helps in digestion. But here we are not going to discuss about the pancreatic juice. Here we will discuss that pancreas will act like endocrine gland. Endocrine gland means ductless gland. They will pour their secretion directly into the blood. So, what is there inside the pancreas? Pancreas location you are knowing, in the abdominal cavity, and pancreas has got group of hormone secreting cells. It has got a group of hormone secreting cells, and those group of hormone secreting cells are called as islets of Langerhans. Islets of Langerhans. Now try to understand. This pancreas has got a group of hormone secreting cells, and those group of hormone secreting cells are called as islets of Langerhans. Now, how many cells are there in this group, islets of Langerhans? There are 3 types of cells. Okay. Alpha cells, beta cells, and delta cells. Try to understand. This islets of Langerhans contain 3 types of cells: alpha cells, beta cells, and delta cells, and they will secrete different types of hormones. We have to discuss in detail about the alpha and beta cell. This delta cell is not included in the syllabus, but we will discuss the names of hormone. Only that much we will know. Hormone which is secreted by the delta cell. Understood or not? Means this pancreas has got islets of Langerhans, means group of hormone secreting cell, and this group of hormone secreting cell is of 3 types: alpha, beta, and delta. Alpha and beta is in syllabus, delta is not in the syllabus. So let us move to this alpha beta cells. First, let us start with beta cell. Okay. Beta cells, and very important hormone secreted by beta cell is the insulin. Very clear or not? Very important hormone that is secreted by the beta cell is the insulin. You must have seen It is a common disease diabetes, and the diabetic patient, they have to take injection of insulin. Okay, whose pancreas or the beta cells are not working properly, insulin is not secreted from the beta cell, and they have to take injection of insulin. Now, what is the function of insulin? Let us discuss the function of insulin. Checks the rise of sugar level. Checks the rise of sugar level in our blood. Means if it is not secreted by the beta cell, the blood level, the sugar will be there in the blood. Okay, how this is done? How this insulin works? It promotes glucose utilization by the body by promoting glucose utilization. Try to understand it. It promotes glucose utilization, means glucose is used by the cell to release energy. Okay, if this insulin is not secreted, promotion of glucose utilization will be less, and glucose will come in the blood and blood sugar will rise. And second work of this insulin, that stimulates deposition of extra glucose. What is the function of liver we have discussed? Convert extra glucose into glycogen and is stored, and when required, this glycogen is again broken to glucose. So first function of insulin is to promote glucose utilization, and second, stimulates deposition of glucose of the blood as glycogen. Means if extra glucose is there, that must be deposited as glycogen. Extra glucose to glycogen, and it is done by the liver, and this also stimulates if extra glucose is there, that glucose should not come in the blood, that must be converted to glycogen, and this insulin stimulates extra glucose to glycogen, and by these two methods it controls the sugar level in our body. Now this part is clear. What will happen if insulin is secreted in less amount and if insulin is secreted in large amount? Both the condition. If insulin is secreted in less amount, that is under secretion, or other word you can use for the under secretion is hyposecretion. Okay, if less amount of insulin is secreted, it is under secretion or hyposecretion, and what will happen? There will be no promotion of glucose for the utilization of the body, and no stimulation of extra glucose to convert into glycogen, as a blood sugar level will rise, and the patient or the person will suffer from a disease, and the name of that disease is diabetes mellitus. Okay, the name of the disease is diabetes mellitus, means common diabetes. Very clear or not? And in India nowadays more diabetic patients are there. And what will happen? If a person is suffering from diabetes, what are the symptoms? How can you say that the patient is suffering from diabetes? High concentration of sugar in blood. High concentration of sugar in blood. High concentration of sugar in blood, and it can be detected by blood check. If we will go to the pathologist, only the pathologist can say about the high concentration of sugar in the blood, and this term is called hyperglycemia. Okay, it is called hyper means more, hyperglycemia, more concentration of sugar in the blood. This one thing will be there. Great deal of urine, great deal of the production of urine, and urine is loaded with sugar. Understood or not? The person will go several times to the toilet, and his or her urine will be loaded with sugar. Since the person is going several times to the toilet, there is loss of water from the body, so the person will feel thirsty. Keep in mind, mouth will dry and the person will feel thirsty due to several time of urination. Lose weight, weight will become less, and the person will feel weak because glucose is not utilized by the body, by the cell to produce energy. Very clear or not? And what is the medicine? If a person is suffering from diabetes, what can be done? Till today, there is no treatment of diabetes. Keep in mind, till today, there is no treatment of diabetes. Only the blood sugar level can be controlled by giving injection, insulin injection. And again tomorrow, the person will take insulin injection. Understood or not? Now a question arises that the person has to take insulin injection in their thighs or in the stomach area. Why to take injection? Why not pills or tablets? Because insulin is taken as injection. Very important question. Give reason. Insulin can be taken as injection, not as tablets. Give reason question. Why? Why insulin will be taken as injection only? If you remember, I have told that insulin is a hormone, its nature is protein, and if this is taken orally as a pill, as a tablet, what will happen? It is protein, it will be digested. So it will not work in controlling the blood sugar level. So once more try to understand. The nature of insulin is protein. If it is taken orally, it will be digested. Very important question, give reason question, that insulin is taken as injection, not as a tablet, because if it is taken as a tablet, its nature is protein and it will be digested, it will not work. So this is the result of hyperglycemia. Hyperglycemia, diabetes mellitus, if less amount of insulin is secreted by the beta cells. Now other question. What will happen if more amount of insulin is secreted? Over secretion. Over secretion. Okay. a disease called hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia will take place. Hypoglycemia. What will happen if more amount of insulin is secreted or more amount of injection of insulin is taken? There will be insulin shock. Insulin shock. There will be insulin shock. Okay. Or hypoglycemia, insulin shock or hypoglycemia, and the person may faint. Person may faint. And it happens with the diabetic patient. Sometimes if overdose of insulin is taken, the sugar level goes in negative, very less, and the person faints. And very easy treatment is there. Just give him a sweet candy, sweet toffee or biscuit. After taking, the blood sugar level will come normal and the person will also become normal. And you have seen a diabetic patient, they also carry chocolate or toffees in their back pockets, because if sometime hypoglycemia or insulin shock is there, they can take it. Very clear or not? We have understood about the pancreas.